So here I have an issue connecting this hive with this one, with the receiver, and it's not connecting at all. So what I do, I turn it off and I will factory reset to do this one. So connect it. Okay, so this one is done. So I'm connecting it to the hub.